King Pig. What do you want? Well, I just want to refer to you. Refer about me on what? Like, I'm having a good day right now. You're just here to ruin it, aren't you? Yes, you are. Oh. Why? You're still grounded. There you go. You just ruined it. There's no way I care. You're a bad person anyways. You're a disgrace to this world. I hope you get arrested one day. I really do. And put on the electric chair. That will happen to you. No, trust me, it'll happen to you first. I just wish you would just die. Well, good luck with that. I ain't dying. I gotta get revenge on him. How can I kill him? There must be some way to kill him. I know. My car. My precious car. Haha, that's perfect. I forgot I had this thing. Yes. Get here. Here we go. Haha. Here I come, Redbird. Here I come. King Pig, what is that? It's my car, you idiot. What are you gonna do with it? Run you over, idiot. You ready? Yes, die, you idiot. Oh my god, I think he's finally dead. What? How? I cannot die, you idiot. That word's getting overused. You're grounded. Yeah, you're grounded.